Alright you guys, we are back with another video. Today we got the ramp out here. We got 3 RCs and we're going to do some bashing around today. I got my 2 boys with me and my wife, she's behind the camera. So this is a ramp we just got. It's a KCRC ramp. I think I paid around 380 bucks for this thing. So we did have it on our last jump session. We used it. I still want to use it a couple more times. So let's get on this. We're going to start bashing. We got the X-Max. We got my oldest son's VXL 4-wheel drive Slash. And then we got a Traxxas Max. All right, you guys, we're out here. We got the ramp about 45 degrees. We got the X-Max. I got 2 4S batteries, 6,700 miles. My oldest has a 2S 5,000 mile, and then my youngest has a 4S in his Max. And it's is it 5,000 mile? Yeah, it's 5,000 mile. I've been having some issues with this truck. The steering's wanting to pull to the left by itself, so it's not doing it right now. But if it starts acting up, we'll show you guys what it's doing. The servo might be going out on it. I don't know. So. Who wants to go first? Oh, my youngest. He's going first. That thing flies like Superman, don't it? Oh. Double flip, landing. That's a triple. No landing. All right, he's gonna try to do at least one backflip with this. Nope. All right, here it is, you guys, right here. See? Right here. See, it's wanting to move to the left. So if you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments. I could be sitting, the truck could be sitting here, and then all of a sudden that servo's turning that wheel to the left. So I don't know what's going on. See, it's starting to turn it. We're gonna run it anyway. Here we go. We're gonna do a backflip right here. Nice. I didn't think I was gonna make it on that one. Here we go. It jumps good.
I was just a little boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself, I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career. And I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money, 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 money.
So my oldest, he's trying to backflip his Slash, and it's just not backflipping. For one, there's not enough power. It's a 2S truck. And for 3, there's not enough will to turn that car. So now the Max, it's no problem. It's easy peasy. Yeah, I'm having some trouble with this steering. Send I'm doing on this X-Max. I'm gonna start way down there and I'm gonna full send that bad boy. this KCRC ramp's not that sturdy. See it right there? So you guys see how this thing's angling and this is bending? Look, everything's shifting that way. And it's really not on, it's not even on a hill. So this ramp's not gonna hold up one bit. So KCRC, I spent $380 on this and your ramp's bending up. So I'll probably be contacting them because this shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, because the ramps we had when we had the last time was a lot better than this.
This is almost $400 for this, and look at it.
Yep, it's junk.
Look how unstable this thing is. I got these decently tightened, not real tight, but pretty decently tightened up.
Yeah, it's junk.
So everything's snugged up.
Only 2 times out here.
Yeah, this is the second time we ran this ramp, and I mean, it shouldn't be doing this. All right, guys, we went up another notch on the ramp, so it's even steeper. And my oldest is going to try to get one backflip out of his slash. I'm still having steering issues with the X-Max, but I'm going to still keep running it. I don't care. Are you guys ready? All right, full send it. See, look at that. It's turning. Look how bad it's turning like that. That'll burn up my servo, I think. Look at that.
You got 4 other X-Maxes. Why don't you drive those?
Look at that.
Got 4 more.
What's fun with this one?
Why are you complaining? You got 4 more.
This one. Then now we're gonna do a video on this, you guys. I'm gonna tear this truck down and clean it and replace whatever that needs to be done on it. Maybe put a few upgrades on this. So you guys want to see some videos on this getting all purdied up, just stay tuned on that. But look at this. This servo is shot or something. It is shot.
Just add to the list of parts.
Look at that. I don't know. We'll run it. Send her out.
me?
Do I get a body for Christmas?
Yes.
Oh, my baby's broke. Oh no.
I didn't even get to drive it.
Oh, I lost the pin.
Pin came out?
That's why, the pin. Look at that, you guys. I lost the old pinnage.
Hey, that came out too.
Oh, that just pops in. All right, you guys, there's probably a pin sitting over there somewhere. If we can find that pin, I might be back in business. All right, you guys. What happened was the pin came out the bottom. This is a common problem with these trucks. Everybody knows that. I do have 8 RPM bolts and nut to capture that. I just never put it on this truck. I was going to put it on another X-Max that I have. But we'll be able to. We found it. We found the pin out there. Grace of God, we found it. We're going to slap it back in. We're just going to keep running. Hopefully it holds up. I don't have a wheel wrench to snug the nut down, so I may lose the tire. We're back in business, boys. Just like that.
And girls.
And girls. Actually, the head on these screws are probably not big enough. I think that's probably the issue why these pins start coming out like that. You cannot kill these trucks. Man, boys. Hope that will stay there. Yeah. That's power. Go!
It went out of frame so high.
Man, I'm gonna kill myself with this thing. Oh, good thing I checked. His battery popped out. Man.
You're beating the whole car pretty hard.
Yeah, but it's so fun. Oh, nailed it. Starting to come down from the hill now. That little flash, it flies really good in the air. It just won't do a flip.
Look how bent that is. That's crazy.
Careful how you use it.
second outing with this truck, the second one of these I broke. The battery hold down. I broke, every time I go out with this truck, I'm breaking these right here. Good thing I bought a pair and now I can replace it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do a couple more jumps and we're gonna call it. I fixed it twice. We're done with our bass session today. I broke a couple things. My oldest son's Slash held up. Of course, my youngest son's Max held up. That thing's like a tank. So that thing, we haven't even broke anything yet on that Max. But that's it, you guys. We appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.